on this video today, I'm going to show you a content locking strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to create a CPA group account. Once you create an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to select monetization tools. Once you select monetization tools, you can see content lockers, URL/file lockers, video lockers, offer walls. The offer walls is about the offers that we promote every day. So now what we are going to be doing in this video is that we are going to be using URL/file lockers. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a content locker. To create a content locker, you're going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the button and then select I agree to the terms of service. Click on that. Once you click on it, you're going to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you can now create your content locker. So you can see right here, you are going to give a name to your content locker. You can see the text right here. You can see this text. So if you want, you can edit all of this. If you don't want this template, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, templates, so that you can select any of these templates that you are seeing. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the captcha. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the template. So once you have your template, the next step is that you are going to click right here, general. Once you click on general, you're going to give a name to your file locker. So in this case, just delete it and then give any name that you want. So you can just type anything like money making, something like this. Anything that you want, just type it right here. Once you give a name to your locker, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, locked URL. So you have to find a URL that you can lock so that people will complete offers on CPA group for you to make money before they get access to the content. So you have to find a URL of a content and then lock it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to come on YouTube and then search for passive income ideas. Just search for that. We want a useful and a trending video, so just search for passive income ideas. You can search for anything that is trending and that is also useful. In case you are using a different thing, type it right here, but in this case I'm using passive income ideas. Once you type your keywords right here, click here search so that you can find videos. Once you search for passive income ideas, you can see this video right here is trending. It has got 1 million views in the matter of 1 month. When you scroll down, you can see this one has got 6.1k views. You can see this one has got 127k views in the matter of 2 weeks. You can see this one right here has got no view. So you have to scroll down and then select the one that is trending. You can see many videos. Just scroll down and then select any one that you want. You can see this one right here. It has got 12 million views in the matter of 2 years. So just scroll down and then select the one that you want. You can see this video right here. It is getting nearly 1 million views. You can see this one has got 6.3k views in the matter of 4 days. You can see a lot of different videos that are on YouTube, and most of these videos are trending. So what you have to do is that you have to select one of them. In this case, we are going to select this video right here because it has got up to 1 million views. So it means it has useful content that people are watching. So we want to lock the URL of this video so that we can get people to complete offers for us to make money before they get access to the video. So you can just click on the video so that you can open it. Once you open the video, you can see this is it. So now what you have to do is that you have to get a link to this video. To get the link, click on share. Once you click on share, you can see this is the link to the video. Click right here, copy. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back on your content locker and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, show offers, the number of offers that you want your potential visitors to see. And in this case, I'm going to leave it with 3. You can see the font. If you want, you can change that. You can see the offer size. If you want, you can increase it or you can decrease it. Once that is done, you can see access time 24 hours. If you want, you can just click on it and then select a different time. In this case, I'm going to select forever. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, show offer manager, so that you can see the offers that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your link. You can see right here, if people from the United Kingdom click on your link, they are going to see these offers, and you can see if they complete them, you are going to be earning the payouts right here. You can see this offer right here, you're going to be earning $1.92 per every lead that you get. You can see this one, $1.71, you can see 90 cents, $1.50, and then many others. So if people from the United Kingdom click on your link, they are going to see these offers. You can see this one right here, you're going to be earning $16.42. Apart from the United Kingdom, anyone who click on your link in any part of the world, they are going to see different offers. For example, let's say United States. Let me click on it for you to see. You can see in the United States, these are the offers that your potential visitors are going to see. So when they complete them, before they get access to the content, you are going to be earning these payouts. You can see everything. So now once you know the offers, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your link. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your locked link. So click right here, get links. Once you click on get links, you are going to see a page like this. So this is your link, this is your locked link. So to copy your link, click right here, copy, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy it, you are going to test it on a new tab. So just paste your link right here and then press enter, so that you can see how your locked URL is going to appear. As you can see, this is how it is going to appear to your potential visitors. So when they click on I'm not a robot, they are going to find offers like this. So any of them that they complete, you are going to be earning money. So it depends on the country that they are coming from. If they come from a tier 1 country, you are going to get offers that you can get a higher payout. You can see these are the offers that your potential visitors are going to see, but the offers are going to vary from one country to another. So if any person click on your link in Nigeria, they are going to see different offers. If people click on your link in the United States, they are also going to see different offers. But the most important thing is that if they complete any of the offers, you are going to earn money. So now once you have your locked URL, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link, so that you can get people to complete the offers for you to make money. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this AI to help us drive traffic to our link. This AI helps you to summarize YouTube videos. The name of the website is YT Summary. So just search for ytsummary.app and you can find this AI. Once you are on the AI, what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. You can use it for free. If you want, you can also pay for a premium version. In this case, I'm going to show you how you can use it for free so that you can make money without paying for anything. If you want, you can sign up with your Gmail accounts. You can also enter your email address, enter your password, and then sign up for an account. In this case, I'm going to use my Google accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, tools. Once you click on tools, you are going to see a page like this. You can see enter YouTube video link. So you are going to paste the link of the YouTube video right here, so that this AI can summarize everything in the video for you. So you have to come back on YouTube, click copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back, paste the link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the link, you are going to click right here, summarize. You can see in the matter of some few minutes, it has summarized the video. You can see this is the content of the video. You can see everything. If you want the highlight summary, you can copy that. If you want the short summary, you can copy that. If you also want the detailed one, you can copy that. So we are going to copy one of them so that we can use it to promote the video. So now once you have a summary of the video, the next step is that we are going to come on this website, medium.com. On this website, a lot of people come here to read articles. This website gets up to 100 million visits every month. So when you scroll down, you can see many people have posted different articles on this website. You can see a lot of different articles. Many people come here to read articles. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to publish the summary of the video right here, so that we can get people to read it and then click on our link to complete the offers before they get access to the YouTube video. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get started, so that you can create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, write. Once you click on write, you can see title and your story. So you are going to come back on YouTube. Once you come back on YouTube, you are going to highlight and copy the title of the video. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on Medium and then paste the title right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see tell your story. So you have to copy and paste the summary of the video right here. So just come back on the AI. Once you come back on the AI, you are going to select the short summary and the highlight. If you want, you can also use the detailed summary. In this case, I'm going to use the short one and the highlights. So just highlight everything, just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your story. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your story. You can see everything. You can see everything in the story. So now what you have to do is that you have to insert a call to action right here so that people can click on your link and then complete offers before they watch the video on YouTube. So what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action like click here to watch full video, something like this. Once you type your call to action like this, the next step is that you are going to insert your link right here. So you have to come back on CPA grip and then copy your locked link. Just click right here, copy, so that you can copy your locked link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your article, highlight the text. Once you highlight it, you can see link. Click on it and then you can see right here paste or type a link. So you are going to paste your locked link right here. Once you paste it, click enter. Once you press enter, you can see this text is now linked to your locked URL. So anytime people click on it, they have to complete offers before they get access to the video. Once this is done, the next step is that you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you can see they are asking you to add tags. You can see everything. So what you have to do is that you have to type something like passive income. You can see passive income, select that. You are also going to type something like make money, and then target. You can also say earn money. You can see it, select it. So you are going to add your tax. You can add the tax that you want. You can see work from home, something like this, work from home, select it. So you can add another tag right here. Once you have your tags, you can see this is the preview of your article. You can see everything. Once you enter all the details that are required, the next step is that you are going to click right here, publish now. If you want, you can also schedule it for a later date, but in this case we are going to publish it now. So just click right here, publish now. Once you click, you can see publishing your story. Once you click on publish now, you can see your story is published. It is now live on Medium. So when you come back, you can see this is your article. You can see everything in the article. You can see your content. So when people read the article and then click right here to watch the video, they are going to be directed to your logged content so that they can complete offers before they get access to the full video. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to go back, find different videos and then use these same steps so that you can get a lot of people to click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.